Remove your footwears, because this is a sacred land.
Okasabala, the great is the wine of Ngenuku. I've come to you with a request. That's why I'm here.
You are welcome. You are welcome, Ochanja. Welcome. I am Okasiabala, the summoner of the dead that terrorizes the watches of the night. Give us your wishes, and it shall be done.
The great Ezenwine of Ngene River. My request is this. I have a daughter. She is my investment. I want the richest man in this community to marry my daughter so that he will alleviate poverty from my family. Because my two sons are very useless and stupid. They don't want to help me. That's why I am here.
In that case, I shall do it for you. Take this.
Okay.
Take.
I should take it.
Take it. Take this. Take it. Take it. And fetch water from the river.
Great is the one. I fetched it. So, what do I do with it?
When you get home, give it to your daughter. Let it be the first thing she washes her face with. The first thing in the morning. Take it and go. But remember, it has a price. Nothing goes for nothing.
The great Ezenwine, the goddess of Ngene River. What is the price?
Your daughter will get married to a wealthy and a rich man. But she will never, ever give birth in her matrimonial home. In her matrimonial home. Never, never, never give birth.
What's the problem now?
It's more. You don't know me.
Can you imagine?
No.
forgotten that I'm your senior brother? Don't tell me just grab the meat. Eh?
Have you forgotten the way you are rushing the food, rushing it as if the both of us will fly enter into your stomach? Have you forgotten?
You don't know, this is cheating, no. Like, you're cheating. You don't know that I'm your younger sister. That you're not supposed to eat two spoons. You're supposed to eat small and leave the rest for me.
Keep quiet! Keep quiet! Younger sister, remain food for you. My food. Have you brushed your teeth? Eh? Did you brush? Look at your face. You have not even washed your face. And you are here dragging food with boys. How many girls do you see? You are not even ashamed of yourself.
Emeka.
What is it?
Emeka.
Okay, no.
Don't ever try and watch justice now. Next time. You should realize I'm your elder brother in this house. You understand me?
Elder brother. Rushing food. If you should have rushed me, join the food now. There's no problem.
What is good about this money? I'm asking you. Foolish children. Foolish children! Just look at yourselves. Look at yourselves. You are not even ashamed of yourselves. Eh? Your mates are out there in the city, hustling and trying to make money to help their families alleviate poverty. But all you are here doing is you fight, you struggle, you quarrel over a plate of food. Eh? Will you shut up your mouth? You don't talk when I'm talking. No, we mention come thunder while you Onyala. And you Amaka. You are not ashamed of yourself. Do you know your what? Eh? Your mate they are there trying to seduce one rich man, one big man, one wealthy man, or the other to make money, to marry them so they can change their family. Eradicate poverty in their family. But you are here quarreling and struggling over a plate of food with your brothers. These your stupid and useless brothers. When your mates are there trying to seduce one rich, one wealthy man or the other, to marry them so that they will help their families. Look at you.
Papa,
look at you.
Papa, people have to go there. He's just wanting food now.
Will you keep quiet? What? Okay, by the way, have you washed your face this morning? Huh?
No, Papa, I will do that when I'm done eating.
You will do that. Look at you. And you call yourself a woman. You start eating in the morning without even washing your face. Huh?
Papa, but if I don't come now, they will finish the food. That was why I had to come and rush my own.
Will you shut up your mouth? Look at you. On a chaka overripe plantain. Uchama.
Emeka.
Let me see how a rich man will not come and marry my daughter after she might have washed her face with this water. Yes, I think this is the end of poverty in my family and in my entire generation. Yeah. Let's go. Come. Yeah.
Are
you
come?
I said
Oh,
come.
if you touch me again, you see what I'll do to you.
Come.
Papa, I can't believe you had to get me water. I can do that when I'm done eating. Let me finish my food. Yeah?
Papa?
Just come. Come. come now. Let me ask you. Are you sure you have not washed your face this morning?
No, Papa, I have not. But I'm still wondering why you had to get me water when I'm not clean.
Will you shut up your mouth? Do what I ask you to do. Oh yeah, wash your face with this water. Do it now. You see, it's good as a young girl. You should learn to be neat. It's not adultery.
Okay.
So that a rich man, you know, you'll be attracted to them. Eh? When they see you, they will love you, they will like you, and they will marry you. Eh? So, it's okay. Look at you now, your face, you're okay.
Hey! Give me that food! Ah, no! Give me that food!
Mama, cookie, child, it's because of your color. I'm leaving you because of your color. I told them, okay,
Why are you calling me? Pay off.
Anna, you forgot to drop the money for food that we discussed yesterday. What we discussed yesterday now?
What did we discuss? We did not discuss anything. Okay. Are you deaf now? Are you deaf? Didn't you hear what I told you last night?
You told me what?
That I don't have money. I don't have money.
Nah, how can you tell me that you don't have money? When I just saw you, kita, counting money. And you are even hiding the money. Eh?
Oh, you have become monitoring spirit. So you monitor me. You monitor when I count money and when I don't count money. Okay, now you saw me counting the money, but I will not give it to you. I don't have money. Period.
Nah,
collect it.
What you are doing is not good and you know it. How can you not drop money for food?
I said I don't have money.
Papa, what you're doing is not good. It's very, very bad.
Tell him. Tell him.
This is the same money that when you give Mama to go to the market now, she will cook it for you. You will come back and you will still ask her to give you the food, you will eat. Now she's telling you to give her money, that you don't want to give her money.
Will you shut up your mouth? May thunder strike you there. May the cause of our land kill you. Nonsense. Look at you. A fool like you.
God forbid! The cost of our land will not kill my son.
Amen.
Or just because of food.
Thunder will kill him, because look at him, very soon he will start growing white hair. And instead of you to go out and hustle like others, make money, come and help your parents. You are waiting till Papa will bring money, Mama will cook food and give you old man like you. You are not ashamed of yourself. Nonsense.
Ochanja. You better drop money for food. Else.
It's what will happen. Okay, no way does it. We haven't fall as I don't have and I don't have. Period. I mean, leave me alone.
Papa, what you're doing is not good. What you're doing is not good.
It's okay. Just go. You will soon come back and will ask for food. Let me see if the food come down from heaven.
Don't
Stupid man. Frog God. Come, let's go.
come back and ask for food.
I don't want it. Can't you pack that things? Eh? What is wrong with you? Pack those bottles and do other things. Small time now you will start saying that I have started beating you. I don't need that thing this afternoon. No. Mind yourself this afternoon. I don't want to talk again. You're just provoking me.
Hi, Madam Cash. The only Madam who is Cash over there. Elegant woman. My love and the only love.
Hey, wait, what you got? You go, leave me alone. Hey, don't try it. I'm waiting.
My love, my only love, my elegant woman.
Oh, must you touch me when you are talking? Don't touch me. Can't you see I'm busy?
Okay, I'm sorry. What is the problem?
The problem is you. Yes.
How am I the problem?
Promise and faith. That is your name. Eh? Please leave me alone. Let me go and find people that will help me. Make me what I want to.
Promise and faith.
Come on.
situation of things these days.
What situation of things are you talking about?
It's okay. I know I made a promise to you. I think will be my promise. Okay? Let me tell you. I will surprise you today.
When is this day coming? After I must have been buried.
No. It will come. Let me tell you, your shop will not fall as far as I'm concerned. Instead, I will sell my land and give you the whole money. So that you can fill up your shop. Meanwhile,
go to other women's shops and see how their shops are. Their shops now so booming day by day.
I'm sorry. See, meanwhile, I have small thing.
What is it?
Smile and smile to me. Just manage this one. Hold it for now. You smile. You smile. Bro, bribe. I don't bribe. We can't make you.
I know I can always count on you. Why not? For some.
This one miss you. Man, it broke overnight. It broke overnight. Man, in a back of miss.
My body is in your body.
Emma, it took a
always on fire. You get me for what? No problem, we can go right away. But look, this time you have to be fast and easy. Because last time you almost pound the broad daylight out of my life.
This time I will take it easy with you. When you first went
Ajano. Yeah. Make sure you carry on before customers start coming. Don't forget to warm that baby soup. Do you hear me? Oh, Chanja.
This sun is too much. But thank God for this fresh air. What is this?
Papa, there's something important I want to tell you.
Something important you want to tell me. You need an invitation card to tell me. Go on and say whatever you want to say, but make it very short because as you can see, I'm still, taking my snuff.
Papa, it's about the ongoing jump form. It's been long I've been reading about the exam. I've been making sure that I sit for this exam. So I want to purchase it.
You want to purchase the form? Yes. Go ahead and purchase it. Go ahead now. Go ahead and purchase it.
That is why I came to you. I don't have the money. I came to you so that you give me the money so that I can purchase the form. I need to purchase this form. As a matter of fact, the deadline is around the corner.
Now I know that the level of your stupidity Eh? It's now getting out of hand. I say it's getting out of hand. Just look at what you are telling me. Eh? Your mates are there in the city, hustling, making money. Eh? You are here telling me you want to buy one nonsense form. You don't want to help yourself. What is wrong with you? Huh?
Papa, God's time is the best. Eh?
God's time is the best.
God's time is the best. As a matter of fact, all fingers are not equal. Eh? So stop comparing me to all those people.
God's time is the best.
Yes.
Which time is your own God's time? I'm asking you. Which time is your God's time? Eh? You are telling me, see, what I want from you is make money. Make money. Money. I need money. Make it anyhow. Eh? If you want to push drugs, go ahead, push drugs. If you want to go into a ritual, go into a ritual. Make the money. That is how your mates are there, making the money. That's the secret. And you are here telling me God's time is the best.
Nah,
wait for God's time.
Nah, Papa, you don't understand what I'm saying. Eh? I am saying that I need money for jam for me. You are telling me to go and push your do rituals and all those rubbish. You know I cannot do any of those things now. Eh?
Oh, if you can't do them, it's okay. You know what to do? Put your hands inside your pocket. Be roaming around this town. Eh? Village champion. Village champion. Now, get out of my.
Papa, I am not going anywhere.
Eh?
I am not going anywhere now. You need to give me money for the jam form now. What's
it's okay, it's okay. You don't want to go. If you don't want to go, let me leave.
Papa, see, Papa, you need to register for this jam. All these things you are saying, it's not in my head. I need to register for this jam. You have money to be spent.
Hey, nonsense.
Get
out.
Okay.
Yeah? Look at him. A stupid boy like you. Eh? Come on, collect the money. Come and take the money by force. You don't want to help yourself and be useless in life. Every time, jam from. You won't go out there. Make money. Hustle like your fellow boys. Make money. Now I told you the secret of how they are making money. You don't want to.
Who come, my love? How long have you been sitting here?
Not too long. I knew you would be coming this way, so I decided to wait for you.
That's okay. So tell me, how are you doing today?
I'm fine, though. Just that I have missed you. So, and you know you have been scarce these few days.
I know, my love. I know, and I'm so sorry about that. You know this is our season. I'm everywhere nowadays.
That means you must be making huge amount of money, I swear.
Of course, I'm making some money. And also saving towards our own bank. Yes.
You have not changed, eh?
How can I change?
What is going on here? What is going on here? Otenku! Leave my daughter alone. Leave my daughter alone. What is wrong with you? Emerigieme? In Apala? Leave my daughter alone. This is the last time I'm warning you.
Papa, as you can see, we were just discussing. We were not doing anything, Papa.
Will you shut up your mouth? You are not doing anything. And you are holding yourself, touching yourself, you are not doing anything. Okay, before you know it, you start doing something. So you've learned to lie to me. You told me you want to go and see your friend Ini Edo, not knowing that you want to come and stay with this animal, Mpama.
No, there is no such thing. We were not doing anything.
You are still talking. Let me warn you for the last time. Keep away from my daughter. Wopo aka enwenofe tupo awaka mother. This is the last time I'm warning you. Nenkode. And what are you doing here? What? Get up! Go.
Papa, I love you. In fact, we love each other.
Woman, did you hear what your daughter is vomiting from her mouth? The free for our boy.
Papa, I'm not saying any evil. I just said that we love each other. That's all.
You shut up your mouth. I say, shut up your mouth. You think this hide and seek business, you are this poor wretched Pawan Tapa in this village? I don't know. I know it. But let me warn you for the last time. The day I will catch both of you again, I will skin both of you alive.
No, but tonight, you know, every time poverty alleviation. You're not even bringing anything to the house.
I know it. I know that you will take side with your daughter. Instead of you to talk sense into your daughter, so that she will stop messing up with that poor, wretched Pawan Tapa in this village. All you do is to encourage her. I go on and encourage her. I say go on and encourage her, like mother, like daughter. But let me just tell you one thing. You see, that thing that you people are doing, it will not work.
What is happening here?
Then what are you doing? What are you doing?
What is happening here?
Emeka, stop drinking this now. I'm not to say now.
Shift. Noleba!
I overheard your voice while I was enjoying myself. Calming my nerves. In fact, I thought the house is on fire. I wanted to call the fire brigade people to come and rescue me. All this ambulance, but to come and discover that the house is in order. Can somebody tell me what is going on here?
Where is this drunk coming from? Can I be sick Emeka?
By the way, Okamaka, is she the one standing?
No, it's your father.
I saw you with that riffraff. That polluted pumpkin. Good for nothing human being. I saw you in the bush. Do you touch me? I touch you. Inside the bush. I hope he did not do you that. You know what I'm talking about now.
Will you get out of here? I'm not
Hey, will you shut up your mouth? Just look at yourself.
Thank you.
You are trying to deny it. Even a drunk saw both of you. Oyanguloma Fulunu. Where he's touching you, I don't know even what you people are doing inside the bush. And you wanted to say, hey, it didn't happen, this and that. If you see yourself, I'm going to deal with you. Don't you know your word? Instead of you to go to the city and look for a wealthy man that will marry you. A rich man that will marry you. So that man can enrich us. All you do is going around with this very poor boy. And
yes,
you, keep quiet.
Shut up. Okay.
You think I will praise you? I will not praise you. All you do is drink from one joint to the other. Now, one day you will drink yourself to death. You will die. One day. Just look at yourself. And the other son, your son, the other one, all he does is go from one farm to the other, going around in the name of farming for people, working for people. And your own, all you do, just go around with that poor wretched, good for nothing, Pawan Tapa. Look at the kind of children you are giving to me. Where did this one come from? I don't really understand. You know what? See, anytime I pray to God, I say, God, what have I done? What have I done to deserve this punishment in the name of children? See the kind of children you are giving to me.
You don't know what you did.
What did I do? You will explain to me where all these things come from. Because this is not from my lineage. We are not like that. Nonsense.
Papa, are you going?
I don't want to laugh now, Emeka. No, Mebele. Do you want to kill me? Why can't you just stop this drink? Stop drinking this once and for all. Will you stop? Will you stop drinking this? Stop this! You must stop this thing.
No, Mama.
No.
Mama, leave this. You will kill me. I will die.
I am dead, Emeka.
Mama, this is my life.
What are you laughing at? Come on, Dad.
Leave me. I'm not drunk.
You are drunk.
Mama, I'm not drunk.
Emeka,
You are pushing me.
Listen.
I am your elder brother.
What is wrong with you, Emeka?
Mama,
you just have to stop eating.
Mama,
I'm telling you.
I will die here.
You will kill me. You have to kill me first.
I will collapse.
Mama, could you believe after working on Mama Dora's farm, she came and pleaded with me that she don't have enough money to pay.
What was it? How about 9?
Yeah, 9. That one is the worst, Mama. You know, Mazi Onwuka came to me and told me that I should come back in 2 weeks' time. Right now, Mama, I am really, really confused because, you know, our jam portal will be closing by next week. And I really need to register my jam.
What did your father say?
Papa is not to support at all. He said I should stop anything about school. I should not further my education. Rather, he said I should join my mate in hustling or I should follow them, join them in pushing drugs.
Hey!
In order for me to elevate poverty in our house.
Okay, poverty elevation, my God forbid. My son will not practice such evil. He will not practice such evil. Look at this. Yeah? When I talked to your father, sold a piece of land. And I was even thinking that he wanted to use it to sponsor you. Eh?
Sponsor me what? Mama, I wonder what Papa is doing with all the money he has gotten from those land he has been selling. I'm just tired of the whole thing.
So I will give you 3,000. I'll give you 2,000 more so that you can add it to any amount you have.
Mama, you're complaining about your empty store in the market and you are giving me money.
Mom, let that store be empty. Let it be empty and let my son go to school.
Hey,
what will I do?
Hey.
You want me to stay and watch your father with all the excuses he's giving? It's okay, Mom. What
should I have done?
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Hey, look at you. You scared me.
I'm so sorry, my love. So how are you?
Fine.
You're working?
Yes.
Okay.
George, I looked for you earlier today to apologize for my father's reaction to us. But you were not there. Your brother told me you went to the market.
Of course. I went to the early Afro market to sell some palm wine. Yeah?
Forgive me.
It's nothing, okay? Listen, everybody in this village knows how your father behaves. I know him too well, so it's nothing. That's how he behaves, okay?
Thank you. So, tell me.
What is that?
Did you buy bushmeat for me as usual?
you, this your bushmate. Of course I brought bushmate for you. And guess what? What? This time around, I bought unchi meat.
Thank you. Thank you.
I know you will love it.
Yes. Thank you.
Don't worry, okay? Your friend Imeda is here. See, let me quickly run along, okay?
So when do I get to see you again?
Don't worry, when I get back from the market this evening, I'll check up on you at our usual point, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Brother, how are you?
Please don't forget to buy bushmeat from you.
I will.
Hey, Imelda.
Hold it there, don't Imelda me. Ukamaka. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Ashamed of myself? Over what?
Huh? What are you doing with that white man? So of all the young men in this village, it is only Diochi you sought to associate yourself with.
Ha! Imelda, please don't come here and insult me this morning, no. Inano, what is wrong with you? Is it your business I'm in love with a white tapper? Is it your business?
Of course, my darling friend. It is my business. And guess why? Because you're my friend. And I'm concerned about you.
Then stop being concerned, okay? Thank you. I love him. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, go to Riba. The love. Lovers club. No problem. Suit yourself.
Don't just come here and insult me this morning.
Sorry.
Are you going to help me get the firewood or not?
Sorry, I will. Just cut the firewood. I'll help you pack. Oh?
Come and be packing these ones if you want to help me.
Diod. You feel like a boy.
The money we got about last night. About my shop at the market. You know I told you the whole thing in my shop is finished and the money I gave to Obiajulu was from the shop.
Is that all? I thought you wanted to tell me that your shop caught fire in the market. Anyway, nice one. For the fact that you are rich enough, you have enough money to give to your son to buy one useless form. That is not my business.
Is it the form that my son bought and you are calling useless?
What is it? It's useless.
It's not form one but the useless.
What the useless?
You know that what you are doing is not good, Ochanja. You know it. You know that what you are doing is not good. The money I gave to him was the little money I made from my business at the shop. And the whole shop is falling apart. And what's he heading here?
Let it fall apart if you like.
What the nigga and got a boy? What this morning? Come with yellow women. I can know.
Is that your business? The land I sold, is it your land or your father's land? It's my land. Anything I want to do, I'll do with the money. If you have land, go and sell your land. Look, don't tell me that again. Enough of all this.
Papa, please. You have to help Mama out. She has been trying for us in this house. Be cool.
Look at who is talking. Like mother, like daughter. Keep deceiving yourself with that poor wretched Pawantaba. Naked Ochama.
Because of that money. Ochanja, you failed me now because of money, Ochanja. Okuya? Don't mind. Ochanja, man, delay your mouth. Don't mind. I'm going to go catch. What's this good?
What kind of question is that? Am I not old enough to buy goat myself?
Hey! Hey! Emeka, you buy goat. I know you didn't buy this goat. Oh! Better take this goat back to where you brought it from. Emeka, hey!
Basket mouth. Mind the way you talk to me in this house. Or else I will command this goat to kiss that your mouth. Eh? If you make noise again, I will command her.
Hey, make her return this goat too.
But let me tell you, really for bad. I can't tolerate this again. I told you to take it easy.
I was doing very fast now, so that I will give out. I want you to do that. I'm not going to be
I bet you so I can start rushing back to the church, to the shop. Okay now.
Thank you very much.
When are you coming back? When are you coming again? Tomorrow or next?
Okay, let's make it tomorrow.
Are you sure? What about me? You are promised.
I'll come with the money. I trust you, I'll change it.
I know why you. I'm fine. You're fine. I know why you. No, Anna, I'm waiting. Let me go and freshen up so I can rush back to my shop. Hey!
Oh, come. You came to see me?
Yes.
Oh, come. Well, that is very wonderful. Now that you are here, there is something I want to show you. Yes, it's somewhere around. But before that, let me just cover this my palm wine. Okay. Wow, welcome. Welcome. Come on, let's do it. Let me show you something. Come. Be careful,
This is my land. Should I sell it or not? Only I can happy. I'm having two minds about selling this land. I'm amazing movie now. Because I don't have another land apart from the one I don't know if I should say this one. By the way, why should I say this land? Because of Madam Cash. It's like I will not sell it. But that woman has been so good to me. And I've given her my word. She has been taking good care of me. I think I need to fulfill my promise to her. Hey, mana. If I didn't get one, I'll sell it. I'll sell it. I'll sell it. I'll sell it. Is that not the voice of my daughter and the Dutch that I'm hearing? So what are they doing inside the bush? Hi! Look at his palm wine. I think I should carry the palm wine and go away. Yes. That will serve him better. Come blue mania. Where are you going to?
I want to go and check my trap inside the bush.
Okay, please, can you help me take this palm wine to my house?
No problem, no problem. But tonight, this is how you bought a gallon of palm wine. Is your daughter getting married?
Must my daughter be getting married before I will enjoy with my family? Can you go Biko?
I know you must have bought it from my brother.
Yes.
Okay.
Nana, drop it here.
Hey!
Thank
I
you very
said
much.
it. I said it.
This is correct and naked achieve.
You don't need to tell me. I know the palm wine is very sweet.
You know, I trust my brother.
I know.
He's the best palm wine tapper in this whole village.
Everybody knows that.
You like it?
I know. That's why I went for it.
This one you brought a cake of palm wine. Are you roasting it?
That is not your business. You finish your work.
Okay.
You know they say, Onyolo, a workman is worthy of his wages. Take this. Just thank you. If anything you like to buy with it.
Papa Choi.
Yeah. Thank you. You can now go.
Now you can go. They have settled you.
I should go.
Remove your eye from your head.
Okay, take care.
Papa, this one you bought, this gigantic amount of wine. Are you trying to hold the moon as speaking?
No, not at all.
Then why the big gallon of wine?
Are you out of your mind? So I of Chanja cannot go and buy palm wine to enjoy with my family. It's only when I'm hosting my family meeting, my own monarch. Go for it.
Papa, it's not what I mean. It's just that the gallon of wine is.
That is not your business.
How does it happen?
Shut up.
Welcome. Go inside, bring cups.
Even before you say it, it's already done. It's already done.
Bring chair first.
Zuzu out. All right.
Sit down. Let us enjoy ourselves. Makanansi gate, potiko, yaka jisisi kai kwaiko.
Ojulamanya, otutu soko fodu si abatego. Otutu soko fodu si.
When next I come back, I'll come and clear you. Look up. Where is my palm wine?
Your palm wine?
I left my palm wine here now.
Yes, now I know you left it here.
Then who must have taken it? Hey! Aro! Hey! Uka!
Hey!
Uka, this is not happening, no.
But you left it here now.
Of course, now. You saw me left. I left it here.
Hey!
Hey! Uka, this is not happening. My palm wine! No.
So what are you going to do now, eh?
Huh?
Hey!
Hey! I wonder who could have stolen the palm wine gallon I kept there. What is happening in this community?
Brother?
Nana.
I have been looking for you everywhere. That one that you're supposed to sell the gallon of palm wine to has been looking for you. She even came to the house.
Nana, alo melo.
Alo what?
Alo melo, Nana.
What happened? What happened?
Hey! I cannot find the gallon of palm wine I kept inside the bush. I kept it somewhere inside the bush. Getting back to where I kept it, I couldn't find it.
How do you mean you cannot find the gallon of palm wine you kept inside the bush?
Nana, alo melo.
Don't tell me there are thieves in this village. Eh, brother?
Hey!
Are you sure it's not the garden of palm one I saw Mazio Chanja with? Not quite long ago.
Yes. Wait. Are you saying you saw Nayo Chanja with a keg of palm wine?
Yes! Along this road now, not quite long. Where? Along this road.
What color is that? Is it
blue? I even thought you sold the gallon of palm wine to him.
Hey!
Hey! Hey, Fomo. Oh my God. Hey! My father has finished too. How come my father do your thing like that now? Hey!
I did not sell any wine.
I thought you sold the palm wine to him.
Hey!
Let us go.
Hey!
Hey!
My father has finished too. Hey! Oh! Hey!
Papa. Papa, this is original palm wine. Also, palm. Hey! This is original, correct, Aneke achievement #1 palm wine. Hey! Papa, always be bringing this for us. In fact, especially for me.
Shut up your mouth, my friend. Shut up. I should be buying you palm wine every day. Today is just Christmas for you. Onyala. I whoop now so carry.
Hey! Papa! Hey! Papa, so it's true, eh? So it's true, Papa.
What is true? What is true?
What is happening here?
Brother, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Papa took this guy up from where Josh kept it.
Papa, why will you do such a thing? Look at it. Why will you do such a thing?
Shut up your mouth. Oh! Did you tell him what you were doing inside the bush with Otenku?
Thank you.
Did you tell him how Otenku was licking you, licking all over your body like a dog eating shit?
I saw.
Hey, Papa,
Not only that, and I'm in charge of Odala.
Papa, why are you we are just discussing, that's all. We are not doing anything.
Oh, you were discussing. Why not go back to your discussion? Did I disturb you? Good. Now,
you are correct. Yeah? I love you. In fact, keep bringing this. You know how to bring palm wine. Yes, I can now.
But this is my palm wine.
Hey, shut up your mouth.
Please. Keep it up.
You are still standing here.
Is the palm wine complaining? It's not complaining. You people should go, please. Leave us alone.
Nah, this is not good, though. This is not good, nah.
Soya. Mama is
I'll best I tell Mama about what you do.
Let the king hear about it. God don't now.
Come on, I done it. God don't enough. Come on, I done it.
We are quacking from where? Let us quack it. No second. Tell anybody.
Come on, I done it.
God don't now.
I still maintain that what you did was wrong. How can you just take away that poor boy's source of income? What wrong, man? It's not. Just check it.
Listen to yourself. Did you listen to what you are saying? Did you listen to what you are saying? I'm asking you. If I know that that's why you asked me to come here, I will not sit with you. I took the source of his income. Didn't he take the source of my own income? Look at my daughter. My daughter is the source of my income. My daughter is our investment. But my problem with her is that, in fact, she don't even know her worth.
Papa, I love him. In fact, we love each other.
Will you shut up your mouth? Just look at yourself. Look at yourself. See how beautiful you are. But your problem is that you don't even know your worth. What do you know about love? I'm asking you. Look at how beautiful you are. As a wine. And you want to end up in that poor boy's house.
You are not ashamed of yourself.
Nani, oh. Hey, but I still maintain, oh, if him had drama, what you did is totally wrong. Eh? It is wrong. How can you just collect that poor boy's gallon of my wine? Eh? Man, my uncle is very expensive now. My wine is very expensive. You know how much that gallon is worth. When you collected it, it's not good.
Hey, that's what you are saying. Eh? Per wine is expensive. So my daughter is not expensive. Wine I draw water. Can jog. Eh? Look, enough of all this. Okay, forget. You see yourself. If you try that, which you are planning to not work for you. Eh? Because you cannot even do it. Now go and get me food. I said, go and get me my food. Look at that. Hey, go. People can hear you. Go put them can hear.
I want to up with this girl. Leave this girl for Christ's sake. She's not the only girl in this whole village. Eh? Now, Kifugoniana, have you seen it? A whole gallon of palm wine gone, just like that. Eh? Leave this girl alone. Rap with this girl. She's not the only girl in this community. Eh? Rap here.
Nana, why are you talking like this now? You know how much I love this girl.
Love.
I love that girl so much. I cannot just leave her just like that. I cannot leave her.
It can hope love. Brother, is she the only girl in this community? Can't you connect? Is she the only girl in this community? Eh? There are still other girls that will cherish and even love you more than her. Since the father does not want you anywhere close to his daughter, leave the girl alone. Eh? Leave her. Nah, I'm tired of all these things. I'm just tired. And the only little sort of income is just gone, just like that.
You can never understand.
No problem, I will understand. No problem. Me, I'm going to the bush to hunt. There's nothing in this house. This girl, enough.
Look at this beautiful car. This is Namdi, the son of Ichokurundu. Hey! Oh my God. Why can't this kind of men come to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage? Eh? See, these are children that are helping themselves. Not my children. They don't want to hustle. All they stay here is just to roam around, you know.
Ifu erika akunubani fenwenwe ndi mmadụ na-achọ ojula manya ọtụtụ ụzọ ka ụfọdụ si akpata ego ọtụtụ ụzọ.
The great goddess and the Eze wine of Udene River. Sorry to bother you, but there's a problem. I am confused. I've done what you asked me to do. My daughter kept to the instruction, to the letter. But yet, nothing is happening. No in-law has come.
Patience, Ochanja. Patience! It shall only happen when the time is due.
But when will the time be? When? I want total elevation of poverty from my house, from my family. I want to be rich. I want rich in-law. It's a wine. It's all about war against poverty. War against poverty. War against poverty. I hate poverty. I want to be rich like other men.
I told you to have patience. Have patience. Do you doubt my powers?
No.
Don't doubt my powers. Don't doubt my powers.
I don't doubt.
Oh,
No,
I
I'm
will
not doubting
strike
you.
you to death.
No, don't strike
Go.
me. Listen,
Go,
don't
I
strike
will
me.
strike you. Go! Go! Go!
Hey! Onye kampo.
Emi mo tanja.
Obinna. Onge dey fair. Hey!
Not Obinna anymore. China is now my name. Not China can abort him. Makano China can abort.
Obi na China.
Almost.
Hey! Man, you are looking good. You are looking good.
My brother, you have work on that.
Hey!
Catch you there.
Listen, in Panalo. Get in the Mexican.
Well, I'm managing Hong Kong for now.
Managing Hong Kong? You call Hong Kong managing? You're going to about China. I've been in Hong Kong or China. Or been in China. Hey!
It's the handwork of God. But what do you have in this bag?
This bag. Just leave what is written on the vehicle and enter the vehicle. Happy head on a motor by a motor.
What kike?
Won't I survive? Do you want me to die of hunger?
Anyway, get into the car. Let's go somewhere and sit.
Into the car.
I bank at Takando Big go to China.
Hey! I'm a motor China. So me entering motor now. Amy!
Hey, Mika, why did you call us out this night?
Papa! Papa, this is a good news. The good news is that your son is traveling to China. Yes! I ran into an old friend who promised to take me out. After giving me what I needed, he gave me champagne, he gave me drink, everything. In fact, pepper soup. Papa, he said he's going with me to London. From London to China, to Hong Kong.
Ah, Emeka,
yes.
Look at what you are doing to yourself. Inaguni. Hey! When will you stop and be useful for one?
Keep quiet!
You
are very, very stupid.
I hope this is not one of these your drunk Talks.
Papa, you should know whom I'm talking about. Mazi Okorondo's son, whom is known as China. Yes, we call him China in this village. He drives all these flashy cars. He said he's traveling with me.
It's like he's making sense. Because I saw somebody like that boy yesterday carrying his father in the car.
Papa, forget that one. Leave that one. Eh? That boy cannot stop Emeka. Emeka is just drunk. How can you listen to him? Emeka is drunk.
This girl, you can't see, both in daytime, in the night. Can you even see me? Papa, don't mind her. We are going to celebrate it. Forget about what this Ocha Komaka is saying. Forget about it. She's not seeing very well. She can't see. You know the sun is...
It's okay. The truth must surely come out. Let's watch.
Good. Papa!
Emeka.
Okay, Emeka.
Are you really sure he wants to take you to China? Huh?
Hey, you have asked me this question more than 10 times. And my answer has always been yes. Do you want my tongue to fall on the ground before you believe me? Eh? It's okay, let them down. To be important as you can know.
I am not well, it's a good thing anyway.
Thank you.
But did you ask him what he's doing there in China, Emeka?
Yeah. It's you. Hey. In fact, he's into importation of goods. He's in money. In fact, to tell you nothing but the truth, he has promised to help me. So,
it's good. I am happy for you, Emeka.
Thank you.
But the question I would like to ask is...
Ask.
And the question is that, Emeka, will you stop this your drinking habit? And I hope you're going to stop this your picking things from one place to another when you get to China.
What kind of stupid question is that? Okay, now I can see. You are not even happy that I'm going to China. Yes, you are not happy. It is written all over your faces. Look at it. It is written. You are envious.
Mwanka.
You are.
Envious of you?
Yes.
You must be joking. Before I called you.
Emeka, what he said is true. Are you going to stop this your drinking habit when you get there? You know that they will definitely deport you once you misbehave.
Oh, but sharp. My friend, keep quiet. Shut that your mouth before I shut it up for you. Nonsense. Have you forgotten your color? Don't provoke me. Because if I slap you, you will be vomiting a chat card now. Because of your color.
Try it and see, slap her.
Brother, I don't like it. Respect yourself so that I will respect you. In fact, I called you all here to tell you the good news. Now I can see that you are not happy about the good news. I'm going out.
Better go. In the China. The moment in China.
Don't mind me.
What are you still doing there? Bring wine for my customers. We ain't have any wine, it's because. I want to bring wine. No poor for, no poor care. Idiot. They have my also. Give them.
Thank you.
Madam Crash, this your daughter is wasting.
Bring this thing that give to them.
Use your glass cup.
She's really wasting her time.
Come on, go and wash those tumblers.
Madam Cash, it's really cold.
Madam Cash, can I show you what is going on here? What is going on here? Madam Cash, give everybody...
Chibuzo, come and bring seat. Can't you see that someone is here? Keep it here. Oh yeah.
Madam Cash. Give everybody one bottle. My son has traveled to Zaria. Oh, it's a slip of my, this is their name. At times I find it very difficult to say it. China.
Hey, China.
Yes.
Hey,
It's not a joke.
As I'm talking with you now, my son, one month for China.
China.
He's in China now. Look, by the time my son comes back from China, I will paint the whole town red. So that they will know that I am Ochanja.
This calls for celebration.
Big time
celebration.
Big time
celebration.
Big time celebration.
You never get it.
China.
Please, let me.
Madam Cash, we need more. What you want? Chanja. Bring your son and come in. I'll meet you there.
Ochanja Ochanja cholego. Ochanja Ochanja cholu chenji kili. Ochanja ya. Ochanja cholu yana mili. Ochanja
I was just coming from your place now. Your brother said you went out. Where went you?
Ndo, I went to see my friend.
Okay. Friend, friend in Mama. Which friend?
Emmanuel, yes, of course. We're on yours.
Emadoma. So you're still seeing that boy?
How do you mean?
Hey! Inajum, you're asking me how do I mean? Ukamaka, what I mean is that this boy is a palm wine tapper.
And that's why I love him. I'm not going to tell you.
You love him because he's a palm wine tapper?
Of course!
Do you not drink palm wine? Or do you want to end up like Mama Chego, forever married to Mama? Name over forever and ever.
Imelda, are you okay? Is it your business? Is it your business that I'm in love with a palm wine tapper? Biko, Osko, Rapomie, I love him.
Oh, Nde, I am very, very sorry. I forgot it's your life. And you can do whatever you so please with it. If you like, marry a barrow pusher. It's your life. Okay. Please forgive me. I will not talk about it anymore. Meanwhile, I will still going to the farm.
You have to escort me. Let me get cutlass and basket.
What we are talking about is my son's future. There must be, you must have the money. Money must be everywhere in this house. How do you just want to back out from the whole thing? We're talking about his future, his bright future now. Well, look at me now. I am cooking. I am cooking soup. There's not even one drop of meat. I can equip not anything, just vegetable. Now when you come back, you want to eat the best. You must participate in one. Either you bring money for his jam, or you bring me.
I don't understand. Which one are you talking about? Are you talking about the useless form, or you are talking about the food you are cooking? Let me understand.
All of them.
All of
money.
them.
You must have money.
Okay, it's okay. You are talking of all of them. Look, he's your son. Likewise, my son. So if I don't have money and you give him money, is there any problem in that? I don't see any problem with that. Okay? Even if I have, I will not give him to buy that useless form. Okay? And talking about the food you are cooking, you want to tell the whole world that you are cooking without meat.
You know you're shameless.
Shameless for what?
It's so community, you're shameless.
Mind yourself.
Oh,
Better
okay,
mind.
then
Why you don't go Google? All the money I've been giving to you in this house, what have you been doing with them? Didn't I give you money to buy meat?
No, boss, no, all the money is giving me. Are you running away? You are running away. You will see the soup I will reserve for you. Ike pot of Akiga Wacha. Ike, if I can't say I go, you will lick the pot.
Yes, it will be enough. In fact, it will be enough for me throughout my stay in the city. Oh. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, Gabi. Papa, I'm on my way to the city. Papa.
Just go and secure your admission first.
Have you? Alright, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright.
Amaka, my daughter. The only daughter of Mazi Ochanja. Hey. Adam Geju Ejemba.
Papa!
Come on, yeah.
You are back. Welcome.
Yes. You see, I bought something for you. I went to the market and I saw something that is very good and befitting to if I am a man. We're going to tell you. I got the shoe.
Papa.
Yes.
Shoe.
I bought you shoe. I bought you also wig. This is the wig.
Okay.
The clothes is inside.
Okay, Papa.
So I want you to, by tomorrow, you put it on. I want to take you to somewhere.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, Mama. When you dress, you know, like that, you seduce. Let's go. Let's go. You will not fall. After all, your mates are wearing. Why I brought all these things for you? This one, the shoe. The logic is just that when you see any beautiful car passing by, smile at the car. Or if possible, wave at the car. But Papa, why now? You will not understand. I am your father. See, what an old man sees sitting down. If a child climbs an iroko tree, he will not see it. I'm a mifem name. Let's go.
Papa, it's only a prostitute that does that.
Will you shut up your mouth? I said shut up your mouth. Let's go.
No, Chanda. Good afternoon, sir.
Get out with your greetings. I don't need your greetings. I'm not sure. I said get out. I did not buy all these things for you to be seducing this animal.
Let's go back now.
I bought it for you so that you can seduce rich men. How long? No. Let's go. No, let's go. You will not fall.
My son will be now. You are looking good though. This channel, hey, you people are really doing well though. This one you pay me an August visit in the month of February. I hope all is well.
All is well, yeah. And I came for good. That was this lady I saw this evening. And I was told that she's well.
How does she look? Is she fair in complexion?
Yeah, she's fair in complexion and
tall, not too fat, not too slim. Okay, she's my daughter. You are right. Let me call her so you can see her and confirm whether actually she was the one you saw. Amaka Mama! Amaka! Hey, Ada Ochanja. Then we have a visitor. Hey, greet our visitor.
Good evening, sir.
Greet him well.
Good evening, sir.
How are you doing?
Yeah. How are you? I think it's like you are busy inside.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give me some water. American.
Okay, sir.
Oh, she's my daughter. She's my daughter. You're welcome. Do you love her?
No, that's why I'm here.
You want to marry her? There's no problem. You see, as far as I'm concerned, I your Chanja. She's already your wife. All you need to do now, just go home and come with your people. So that I can give you the list for the marriage rights. Eh? So, my friend.
Do you know you're a very pretty girl?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Has anyone told you about that? You're pretty. But anyway, I was talking with your father about your marriage, and he accepted. So I said, let me come and meet you and so talk to you about it. Please, will you marry me?
I don't know what to say. Well, I'll put something on fire. I think you have to start right now.
Come here, Kamaka. I'm your father, I'm talking to you.
What is it, Papa? I said I don't love him. And then we don't marry him. Why will you force me to marry who I don't love?
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth. What do you know about love? I'm asking you, what do you know about love? Look, you must marry China. Is either China or you forget anything about marriage in your life.
Papa, I will not marry China. I won't marry him. Why are you forcing me to marry who I don't love? Papa, it won't work for you. I will not marry.
Will you shut up? You are very stupid. I said, you are very stupid. Good. You must marry that boy. That handsome boy. Akajak. Wana about China. Na tungwaya DJ. Budelike. Because you want to end up with that Otenku. It cannot happen in my house. I am your father. I will tell you who to marry, and my word is final, whether you like it or not. Period. Stupid idiot. Nonsense.
Papa, who pay more? And my own is China because I will not marry. I'm not work because I will not marry China, Papa. It will not work for you. China.
You've growing in Togo.
Okamaka, are you telling me that your father is forcing you to marry that man?
Dios, you have to do something very fast. You have to do something fast. In fact, come and do one carry on my head. Before that guy visits our house again, just come and do it.
I think you're right. But Okamaka, the problem now is your father. Do you think your father will accept me?
Dios, just leave that one for me. Leave this first. He will be forced to accept you once he has seen you with your people. Just come and do it. Come and do it.
Okay. You're right. In that case, I will do that as soon as possible.
Just come.
No problem. But before then, let me quickly rush down to the market and sell this palm wine. I'll see you later, okay?
Josh, you said you want to talk to me. What do you want to tell me?
My brother here, George, he said that there is a very beautiful thing he has seen in your compound. And
will you tell me what you want to tell me? What nonsense is it? If you don't want to talk to me, I will walk you out of my house. What is it?
We have come to tell you something.
Because, Naya Chanja, first of all, thank you for having us. What my brother is actually trying to say is that I have come to let you know that my intentions over your daughter. I truly love Okamaka, your daughter. Yes.
As someone.
And we actually came to let you know before coming with our
kinsmen. Before I knew to do the normal right.
I've heard you. Now, leave my compound. You heard me. I said, get out of my house. You are not. Now I know you are not a human being. You are not afraid. For you to come to my house and tell me you want to marry my daughter. Have you fed yourself? It's going on. Why? Get out of my house.
It's not what you think.
You think I'm joking? Come and stay. I'm lawyer. Look at them. You want to marry.
Ochanja batuburekio. Ochanja cholego. Ochanja Ochanja cholo chenji gele. Ochanja ya. Ochanja cholo ya na mele.
I'm sorry. You know how my father behaves.
Listen, Okamaka. Your father went too far this time around. Eh? Can you imagine? I don't think I can continue with this relationship, honestly. I've been disgraced several times. I've had enough of it.
Yes, he cannot continue, okay? He cannot continue with this relationship. I don't just understand it. Look at the way your father disgraced us the other day and even chased us out of his compound. Just like that. What kind of disgrace is that? He is tired. He can't go and look for somebody else. There are still other men that you can look at. Okay? Please, not my brother. Ochorozi.
Let me talk to your brother because you know you're the only one that can talk to him.
Me? Talk to him? Possible. It's not possible for me to talk to him. The decision is final. He does not want you. Again, go out there. You will see other men that will even like you. Go.
Listen, Okamaka. Before you came here, I was actually on my way out. So, excuse me.
Hey, because... Nana. Hey. 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 Nana, because you're... Hey. Nana, because you're... Because... Hey.
Okay. If I were you, I will gladly, with all my heart, accept this guy's marriage proposal. Nne, open your eyes now. This is an opportunity every girl will die for. Kiyo, mama.
Wait a minute, Imelda. So, you are now supporting my father, eh? Imelda, you don't care how I feel. I am your friend, for God's sake. You should care how I feel more than every other person. Anyway, you don't know anything about love. This is about love. So don't tell me that.
Any biko. Love my fork. Love my foot. Which love? One, please define love. This guy is very rich. Ego nesis, and he loves you. His love can cover up for both of you. You don't need to love him.
Thank you. Eh? Thank you. Anuko, I can see you are taking side with my father.
You're darling, oh. Okamaka, you're wasting time, oh. This is you're wasting time, oh. Uka, wait, let me tell you.
What is the meaning of this? Meaning of what?
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Why are you chasing this young man away with your endless list and high demands?
Mama Maka, that man is rich. Ego. This is the opportunity I or Chanja elevate poverty from my home. Eh? So, by chasing him away with your endless list and high demands, Wakudum in a lemwayele. And is that why you brought me here? Or did you wake up time? But check here, no. What you are doing is not good. It is not good. Hey, Osgo. I know what I'm doing. Leave me alone. Pick up. Eh? It would not go give me a for. You know, not killing my parents. You be a man, you see. I want to be a man, you see, na bunu. Bem, a jomo, be man, you see. What's good? Jackie never leaves. Ask him to buy you trailer. Eh? Ask him to build you a duplex. And you come more.
I think I was so rude to Okamaka the other day she came here. Oh God. I love this girl. I love her so much. God. Listen, I've been looking for Okamaka all over. Have you seen her?
Ewo, you've not heard?
Heard what?
You've not heard? Eh? Ezioku, you've not heard that Okamaka is now happily married to China and they are traveling to China together very soon.
Okamaka got married to China.
Uh-huh.
Imelda, you must be joking.
Onyano. As comedian that I am, as Uncle JB, I must be joking. But they forget Are you going to collect your own share of what? This is what you're asking me. You've not heard?
You've not heard of anything.
You've not heard that Okamaka? Okamaka call you wine, my best friend, you know. The one everybody knows, my friend.
Okamaka or Chandra?
What happened to her? She just got married to that guy from China.
Eh?
Ha!
China?
As I'm talking to you, her mother is in the market, sharing gifts, sharing things. Oh, what? When you put that back, the person will just drop the foreign things inside.
Eh?
That is not even all. You need to see the way she's bragging inside the market. Oneko. People will be calling her Mama Ada China. Mama Ada China. Oneko. Manu. See my bag now. Like, I am going to their house to go collect my phone. Now I'm a family member. I cannot go and start queuing up in the market. I will go collect your own share. Now look, you know, be free. Go collect your share.
Ochanja, why are you here again?
great Ezenwine of Ngene River, I greet you. I am happy, and I'm here to appreciate you, to thank you because of what you did for me. My daughter is married to the richest man in this community now, and I am very rich. I am one of the richest people in this community now. Poverty has been alleviated from my family. I am no more poor. I am rich. I am wealthy. So I thank you. And I've come to ask you, what do you want from me? What will I do to appreciate you the more?
Stand, Ochanja. Stand. Stand. I can see you're very happy, Ochanja. You have paid the price which I gave to you by accepting the conditions. Just go! Go! Go!
Hey! What is happening? What is happening? Hi! Madam Cash, you know, Dikeh now. Am I dead or alive? Just look at Mama Adolf yesterday. Walking around the market, proclaiming herself Mama Ada China. And I am here, struggling over this useless, slow-moving business. Now I want Madam Cash. But something has to be done. Something has to be done, and the fast. She was even boasting. And all the market women, we are hailing her. Hey, Madam Cash, shine your eye. Shine your eye.
Mommy, I'm hungry. I'm not eating something.
Come on, get out of my face. I am here thinking of something very important, and you are telling me that useless thing.
But I'm hungry. I've worked for...
Silapa! Come on, get out of here, idiot! You go and get nearby, idiot!
What is going on here? Eh? Why are you so harsh? This little girl.
Sit down, thank God you're here.
Thank God I'm here. I hope all is well.
All is not well.
What is the problem?
It's high time you made me your wife.
What? Did you just hear what you said?
You heard me right. Look, I am sick and tired of all these hide and seek games we are playing. This is time you take me in as your wife.
What is it? What you know is not possible. How could you even, think of that? How?
Ochanja, I've just said my mind.
Idiot there, the animal that want to break my door.
Hey! Hey! Ochanja mu animal. Madam Cash, animal. Okay. Animal, let's go inside.
What are you doing? What is the meaning of this? Huh? Do you want my wife to see you here?
Your wife? What am I? Your concubine?
Are you my wife?
Anyway, that's not the issue. The issue is that since you refuse to handle this matter officially, I have decided to take the bull by the horn. So, I am now fully welcome to my own husband's house. You are mine.
I got to feel. Are you crazy?
Yeah.
What do you think people will say when they see you here?
Okay. You are now thinking of what people will say. Che, let me ask you. I will not calm down. When you were ravaging me, did you ever cross your senses? Now you want to know what people will say. You know okay. Answer her. I heard noises. What is going on?
Why am I? Oh, nothing is happening. I won't go in.
I'll see you later. You better tell her what is going on. Because if you don't tell her, I will tell her myself. No, what is going on?
It's okay. I will explain. But it's not what you think. I will explain.
I'm not started thinking anything. I just asked what is going on. No. Your husband, anyway, our husband here, because he's now also my husband, has been having an illicit affair with me. And now I am pregnant for him. So I've come to possess my possession with my daughter. That's all. No. What this woman is saying, is it true? Answer. I said, what this woman is saying, is it true? The pure truth. I am wait now, I am asking my husband. You said illicit affair. You said possess your possession. Wait, let me confirm. What does he want to say? He doesn't know anything to say. He doesn't know anything. I'm telling you. But he knows the way to that thing he said. Oh, if you which one? That's what we are saying. Let me ask him. What she's saying, is it true? Come. Madam, please excuse. Let me enter my husband's house. I'm asking you, what this woman is saying, is it true? Ochanja, show me my room. You don't want to show me, I will enter any room. Wait! Come and show me my own room. Is it this way or that way? Which way? Enter that room. No, we will go together. I have brought I wanted to eat it. I want Ochanja to show you the way. Let's go inside together. Was I the one that left with you? No! Baby, why did you go? Let me talk to you. You better ask this prostitute to leave my house. Ask her to leave my house because I'm not going to share my home with any idiot.
Please, calm down. We still have a way of sorting things out.
I don't want out. I don't want. The fact that you went and slept with that thing, leaving me at home, you went and slept with that thing. And what if I'm going to iron out?
Please, I want you to calm down. I'm sorry. Forgive me. It's temptation. You see, I promise it will not happen again. See, calm down. You see, I don't want people to hear us. Temptation. Temptation indeed. It happened to the extent that she took it. It's not only one dead business. You did it and did it and did it and did it to the extent that she got pregnant. It's either this woman leaves my home or this house will not contain both of us. There will be no peace and there will be anarchy. And what do you think you are doing? What are you doing? Why do you have to remove my pot and put this your poisoned kettle with nonsense thing that is inside it? You called my own kettle a poisoned one. It is poisoned. It is poisoned. The water inside it is poisoned. And you're looking for people to poison with it. What are you cooking? What do you have inside? Nothing. Yeah. So I don't have any right again to cook in my own husband's house. Which husband? My own husband. It's my own husband and not your own husband. So if you're looking for where to cook,
go and get your own kitchen. This kitchen belongs to me. You must remove this nonsense poison cattle. I'll cook my own food.
Don't touch my girl.
I will wash me and see.
Foolish woman has killed me.
I will kill this woman. I will kill this woman. My head, no. My head,
I will not tolerate this. I will not take it. Do you hear me? I don't know how you came into this house. You better crawl back to that bottomless pit where you came from. Do you hear me?
Idiot! Who are you talking to? Me? See, it's your mother, your useless mother here that crawled out from the bottomless pit. Not me, my
Baba, it is because of you I'm leaving this woman. It is because of you I'm leaving this woman. See, I don't know how you came into this house. You better go back to where you came from. Because I will not take it, Papa. I will not take it to this house.
Ha! See, this is just the beginning. Okay? You did not see my own. If you don't come them, don't get me careful. I don't blame you people. But let me tell you, by the time I am through with your mother, she will know her place. Eh? Try it
now. Try it and you see the stuff I made up in this house. See, Papa, it's because of you. Mama, how could you allow Papa to bring this strange woman into this house? Eh?
What do you want me to do? I just saw her. And the next thing she said that she's pregnant for your father. And this man sitting by my side, that is your father, did not have man to utter a word.
Papa, how could you have done such a despicable thing? How could you?
Will you shut up your mouth? I said shut up your mouth. How dare you talk to me like that?
What respect?
Remember, I'm still your father no matter what. I'm still your father.
My father what?
A shameless father.
My father what?
A good for nothing father.
Papa, I am so much disappointed in you.
Say it.
Papa, I regret ever calling you a father. Eh? How could you have brought this woman? Don't look at what she did to my brother. Look at my mother's hand. See, if you, Mama, anything she tries it, on my phone, call me and I'll idiot.
Try it.
Try it, I swear.
Get out of here.
Papa, I will not take it to. Try it.
What for? Ni woke, is woke.
Okuko ebele bo nuka.
Oya
na batara no no.
You are too small.
The next time is your head, I will cut off your head. Your head can't get you a bolano.
I must tell you the truth. Even though you don't take me as anybody again in this house, but what I will tell you is nothing but the truth.
Let that truth eat your head.
Eh? Let it eat my...
Yes. You have lost your respect.
Woman, be careful. Inokwam nakojo. Madam Cash, what is it? Get on.
Is it not your useless wife that made me to lose my pregnancy?
What? How come?
You lost my baby? Yes, she fought me the other day, you knew now. After the fight, I lost my baby.
Hey, this is wrong. Eh? Look at you.
Ask her whether she was pregnant in the first
She was pregnant. She was carrying my son. I know that very well.
Oh, a good son. Very nice one.
Madam,
she gave birth to.
You are now a murderer. Eh?
I say ask her whether she was pregnant.
She was carrying my son. I know. Yeah, she was carrying my son.
Good son. Wow.
Hey, that's why I say you've lost your respect. You're no longer the man I married. Useless man, that's what you are.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry
now. Oh, sorry. The next time you try it, I will chase you out of this house. After all, I'm the one that married you.
Yo! Happy, I can have damn one can nonsense. Pregnant. I am sorry. Witch. I am a witch. So you have to leave my house. What do you come looking for in a witch house? You know I was a witch and you came. Odogu nwa no konwa. You cannot hear you go. This school we are going to is for me. We are acquiring this education.
Anybody looks to you, don't hesitate.
No, I will not hesitate. And meanwhile, I'm not afraid. I can fight for myself.
Mama,
quiet. So be careful.
I will.
Don't get into any trouble.
Okay, I will.
Hey, wait. Nkitala. Wadanya o. Opalu suboso. Bye-bye, oh. Bye-bye. Some people jealous. Hey! Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me because of my son. Oh. Hey! My graduate son. Oh. Graduate mom. My graduate son. Oh. My graduate son. Oh. Some people jealous me. What up, gosh?
Yeah. Is this really you? Yes. Imelda, you are looking sweet.
Thank you. When did you come back?
Oh, I came back today. I said, let me stroll around, and I saw you. I said, let me stop and greet a beautiful girl like you.
Thank you.
Imelda, turn around. You've changed. Turn, Mr. Naya. Mr. Naya! Turn. Keep turning. Keep turning.
Meskala!
Sit in your hand.
Odogu! Odogu!
It's for you. Pick.
Odogu!
They are up for you.
Hey! Mego Ibo!
Yes.
Tell money. Pick. Hey! Meskana!
Yes.
Odogu!
That is me.
Timo! Hey!
Oh, nobody.
It's for
you.
Meskala na China. Number 1 on China.
I'm the one.
Hey!
Look at it over
Meskala
there.
Ibugomo.
It's for you.
Ibugomo. Hey!
Look at them there. They are all
Hey!
for you. In fact, Ibugomo.
Hey!
They are for you.
Meskala! Hey!
In fact, now, hop in.
I swear to the car.
Hop in. Follow me.
Hey!
Imelda.
Odogu.
Come, let me take you.
Hey! Thank you.
I'm running late for this meeting. What am I saying? Hey! Who is coming to my compound with this big car? Hey! My son is back from China. Hey! Hey! China. You are welcome, my son.
Daddy.
Hey!
Thank you.
Sit down.
I brought a lot of things. Yeah.
Okay.
I came back with a lot of champagne, you know. You got to pump it, and be happy. You look good. You look voluptuous.
Yes, we are looking good.
You look voluptuous.
So, how is everything?
Good. In fact, I'll show you my talking her.
Yes.
Everything is moving well.
Oh, yes. So my son cannot speak China. How is business?
Business into her.
What of your China? What of China?
No, I no longer stay with them. I have my own mansion now.
Oh my God!
I bought cars all over the places. You know, people are working for me now. Yes, I have so many people now.
Meaning?
I have many people.
Oh, you have many people now.
Of course.
And you're on your own.
Yeah, of course.
Hey, you're a big boy now.
So where are they? I mean, they should come out now.
Everybody, no, they've gone out. It's only me in the house.
Okay, it means
let me ask you.
Yes.
So you no more drink?
No. I pop champagne. You know.
Which one is champagne?
Those one that looks like a bomb. When you open it, you torture.
Eh?
Torture. Yeah.
Torture my son. Torture my son.
Of course. That is bombing.
Bumping. Hey, my son.
I
call you. You are my illustrious son.
Thank you.
Forget about Obi Ajolo. Stupid.
Father,
he's still in the school. Oh.
Those things are very, very important. Let's go and I'll bring them.
Okay. You know, your brother is still in the school. Reading law. He still have 15 years old.
See money. I am not counting in thousands. So money sent to me from my son. That came back from China. Some people thought that I will never have money, like all the society women. Don't follow, let them make my money. But see me, I am counting money, thousands. Now, very soon, I will start to wear high-heel shoes and begin to rub pancake with my money. And my daughter will soon put to bed in Jawa. Hey, only family we wait now because we are silence. I can pay John Mugo. My son, daughter will soon put to bed. My Gawa Mugo to China. Travel line. Silence. Only family we wait.
Imelda.
So, you're sure you really want to marry me?
If I'm not sure, will I be disturbing you? I won't tell you that I want to marry you if I'm not sure. All I need from you now is just to say yes. If you say yes, how about I go Mego now? I've made the money. I've made money. Just say yes and all the money will become yours. Yes. Yes.
Mascara, you have money.
I have the money.
And you want to marry me?
Yes.
Of course I will marry you.
You will marry me?
Yes.
Hey! You have said it all. Thank you very much. Do you know one thing I want you to do now? I want you now to tell me what you want. Just mention anything and I will do it right away.
Just like that?
Just like that. Because I have the money. I have made the money.
Okay.
Yes.
Mascara, my husband. I want you. I want you to take me to London because I want to see London Bridge.
London? That one is a small case.
Ezioku.
Come back, I'm a case.
Ezioku.
It's a small case. In fact, I'm not going to take you to only London. I will take you around the whole world. After our marriage.
Hey!
Yes. I will take you around the whole world.
Hey!
Yes, I have made the money. Money is like a woman. When you have it, use it. Because it will be stolen by another man.
Okay. So, when is the marriage? Like, have you fixed a date yet? Can be the
very soon. That's today or tomorrow. Because the money is there.
Sharp.
I'm going to tell my people now that I have the want to pay your bride price. I will do everything today, tomorrow.
Sharp, sharp. Hey! Money is good.
Yes.
Money is very...
See,
I keep telling people that money is good. They will not believe me.
Keep telling them.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey!
Tell them.
That means after the marriage, I will now become Imelda one.
In London?
Na China. No, China first. We have to get to home branch.
Okay.
Ebesi, we put the money.
Imelda in China to London.
And in London. Mescal, I know what?
Yeah.
Just wait for me. Just hold on. Okay. I am coming.
I want to go and change and wear 5 clothes.
Alright.
So that we'll go and cruise around the village.
Cintonya.
Can they mad of Fuziano? Let people see Mrs. Mescana.
Cintonya.
Hey! Just wait for me. I'm coming.
Alright.
Why I sent for you is to inform you that your younger brother here want to get married. I know traditionally he is supposed not to marry before you because you are elder brother. Yes. But because he has made the money now, we can't wait for you before you finish from your useless and stupid school. So that's why we ask you to come.
If that is what you want, you really want to get married, I give you my support. That is all I have to tell you. Thank you.
You have no choice than to support him. Your God is alive. Because I thought you wanted to oppose it. So that I would tell you how stupid, how useless, how idiotic, you know. Because that's not how he waits for you till you add. Which course is he?
Papa, I am studying law.
Law?
Yes.
You become lawyer?
In the university.
Oh, that course that takes
20 years.
20 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chikotaya, 20 years. So, how many years have you?
Papa, I have spent 2 years in the university.
Oh, 2 years?
Yes.
20 minus 2. 18 years. So, you will still have 18 years
Papa,
before you finish. By that time, you will grow white hair. Hey!
Papa, I am not ready for all this young mockery right now. I just, I travel the long distance. I have to go into the house and rest.
It's okay. Go and rest, oh. Go and rest. It's good. Just go and rest. This week, oh.
Emeka, later now.
Alright.
Papa, I'll talk to you.
It's okay. My illustrious Afunwa Elotena Omekana Ikalaka.
Thank you.
Ikalaka. Let's talk something very, very reasonable. To me, personally, what I want from you. I want, you see this car. I want you, if you are going back, just leave this car for me. So can we neko? Go free. Neko no boda. Hama that na ochanja. Na one me buto Dikeh. One ochanja.
Sent it on her.
Meaning.
Sent it on her. Meaning the car is for you already.
Oh, the car is for
you already.
Oh my God! So it's for me.
It's for you.
I am car owner. Oh my God,
Take it. Papa, Cincho.
What is Cincho?
Good morning.
Oh. So when you say Cincho, I say Cincho. That means I say good morning.
Good morning.
It's okay. You see, why I called you is just to tell you that I am very happy the way the traditional marriage went. It was successful. So, and again, I want to know when you have in mind to go back to China with your new married wife.
Papa, am I not in my father's house? You're not choosing my children now.
No, don't misunderstand me. I'm not I'm not driving you. It's your father's house, but it's just that if you overstay, it's bad because these are village people are very wicked. For him,
No, and you cannot understand what you definitely will understand what I'm saying. You're supposed to understand what I'm saying.
But at least I have told you that my containers are not yet clear. So as soon as the container clears, then I will go back with my wife.
Okay.
Take her back to China.
It's alright. You should say so. There's no problem. Don't misunderstand me.
No.
No. I wish you well.
Yeah, no problem.
It's okay.
I understand.
It's alright.
Kidnappers! Come down! Hey! Run for your life! Run for your life! Hey! Kidnappers! No! Mexicana! Mexicana, don't leave me now! Hey, God, what is that? Mexicana! Emeka, where are you running?
Emeka! Okay, Emeka!
Hey!
You can run, but cannot hide, Emeka. I will definitely catch you, and when I do, make you have a mendiori. The money I made in China, you made away with it. I will deal with you. Bros, get this car, let's go. That belongs to me.
Emeka! Emeka, we shall see! Let me tell you, every day is for the thief! Every day is for the thief, but just one day! One day is for the owner of the house! You stole my brother's money! You stole one name in China! Then Neko! Emeka, I will deal with you! Hey! Emeka!
Look, I am tired of this kind of story. Give me my own share. Give me the guys, now. Let me start going to the market. As you can see, I'm already prepared. How can you be so wicked like this? How can you just give only money to go to the market? Now she's in the market buying heaven and earth. And you're here telling me stories.
Point of correction. I did not give her any money. It is her son that gave her the money she went to market. Just calm down. I will go out this evening. I'll get money for you tomorrow.
Emeka gave you money too. Emeka has been sending money to you from China.
Hey!
Where is that thief?
Where is that bro? Where is that thief? Where is that thief you call the son? Where is that thief you call the son?
Where is Emeka?
Where is he? Emeka, your son stole my money from China and run away. I will catch him. I will definitely catch him. I will catch him. I will definitely get him. And when I get him, what I will do to him, he will not understand.
Emeka, where can you be? Where can you go, brother? My brother's money.
Yes, my money.
Where brother over there?
Now wait. Let me understand. You know you don't know how to ask questions. Maybe you didn't hear him well. Because you see that Emeka did what? Stole your money.
Emeka Nwagonyori. He stole my money and run away. Onyori Kobo.
And he's supposed
I get him, I will deal with him. I will deal with your son. You don't know me. They hold me. Go to China. Go to Libya. Look for him. Look for him. Hey, look for him. Don't me that boy. I will kill him. Search for him and get him. After me, I lose to Tito Riembombo. But I will definitely catch him. Me, I hope Nanya. Let's go. Let's go.
Let me tell you. I know what to do. If you know where you hid Emeka, go and bring him out now. Let's go. Emeka, I will personally kill him.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Let's go.
I will personally kill him. Don't worry. Ndoshi. Thieves. Emeka is a thief. Ndoshi.
What is all again? Come on.
Let people not hear it now.
Try to find your wife. Mama in China. Come back from market or your son is a thief. They go China now. Oh, Chanja. They go China now.
Mescada. Mescada. I don't understand all this. What is going on here? So that car belongs to China, your sister's husband, and you're telling me they're kidnappers?
Baby, calm down. Bring down your voice. Don't you know that your voice will attract those kidnappers? Bring down your voice.
Become a chono. Shut up your mouth. Who is fooling who? Which kidnappers? I heard them loud and clear, calling you thief, Onori, saying that you stole the car, and you're telling me they're kidnappers.
Who?
Let's go home.
We can't go home now. Try and understand me. We can't go home now.
So I will stay inside this bush with you.
Please, we will stay here until they are gone.
Stay where? Inside this bush.
Please.
You are who?
Me and you, please.
See, listen to me. Hold your ears. Let what I am suspecting not be true.
It is not true.
Let what I am suspecting not be true, Meskana.
It's not.
Because if it's true, you will not need a mirror to see your ears. I married you because of your money.
I know.
Nothing else.
I know.
Because of getting your money.
And the Jeep. And the China. And London.
Broken my leg.
Let's go home. I will massage your leg. Sorry, yeah? Are you sure they are gone?
Left his business for Emeka. Emeka sold everything and ran away with the money. We never knew that. He came back to the village only to use the money and get married.
Hey, Emeka. So Emeka really stole from your husband. Ran to the village and started lavishing money anyhow as if he has made money. Picking, jumping from one woman to the other. Please, Okamaka, you know you're my sister. And Emeka is my brother. You will help us and plead with your husband to see reason clear.
Brother, my husband is very pissed. My husband is pissed and I don't know how to talk to him.
Please, Madam Oka, just help us plead with your husband to forgive him. Oh? Because you know Emeka now, you cannot just harm him or arrest him because he stole money from your husband. Oh?
Brother,
Adamne.
I have been trying. Brother, I have been trying. See, Emeka me wara yobi. Emeka me gido me kwapi obi. Emeka zuru zubo mi ego. See, if I ne kwe ba burego mahaz, we are talking about dollars or burego mahaz. Brother, I don't know.
Can you do disgracing here? Emeka don't know. He just steal. He want to be stealing, collecting people's properties. Okay, now he has stolen from your husband. Run to the village, you just hide.
Okamaka, easy boy. Please now, help me beg your husband. Let him forgive. Please. He should find a place in his heart to forgive. To err is human and to forgive is divine. Okay, say, brother, I should kneel down. I will kneel down and beg.
You don't have to kneel down. Emeka is my brother, and I know what he's capable of doing, even when my husband wanted to take him to China. But I never believed that this kind of thing happened. How do you want me to beg my husband? I don't know how to beg my husband.
Please now, just beg him. How can Emeka do a thing like this? How can he? What kind of disgrace is this? What can I check on a square one? As in, I can't even imagine it. Just look at your friend and see how fine I'm looking. I don't want to go back to the way I used to be. Please.
I have been trying. But the money we're talking about is not a small one. It's not a small money. That is the problem. I
I don't know how to beg my husband.
Okay, please. Just keep trying. Just beg him. Come on, if I gave him that beg, just touch him somewhere and beg him. You know what to do.
Only if I'm just telling you that the money is not a small money, but anyway, I will try. At least to know if you listen to me. But I'm not assuring you that I will solve your problem. I just said I will try.
Thank you. Thank you, praise God. Thank you, you've done enough. Thank you.
Yeah, oh, yeah. A living dog is better than a dead lion. You need to understand this fact.
Imelda! What is the meaning of this?
You are the meaning of this, Emeka. You are the meaning of this!
How?
Are you cursed? Why, Emeka? Eh?
How?
Abugonu! All you do every day is sit down, sleep and drink. Nothing else. Instead of you to go and look for something to do, you sit down here with folded arms and expect manna to fall from sky. You Maruche. Can't you say Momo's you?
And so? And so what? Kajani Wemesia? Eh? Were you not there when Tana snatched my car away from me and froze my account? So what else do you want me to do? Eh?
Hey!
It's okay. Kebi to Kasibutego. Where do you want me to get money from?
This man, you're such a shameless man.
Thank you. Let me be.
Thank you. You don't have any shame in your eyes.
Thank you.
The money he took from you, is it not his right?
It is
the
not.
car he took from you, is it not his car?
I suffered a lot.
You're very, very lucky that this young man is so kind-hearted.
Yes.
If not, by now you would have been arrested somewhere in jail.
If not, you are having my baby. All this, in fact, let me just keep quiet.
Emeka, listen, let me tell you. I cannot continue to do this in this condition. I told you. I warned you. I cannot continue. Better go out and look for something to do. If not, I will force it. You will receive paper in this house. I am telling you.
Kubam, you can't even kill me, but you see that baby? You are in trouble. That baby! That is Emeka Jr. you are looking at. Emeka from China to London. Let nothing happen to him.
And lost in thoughts recently. What is going on? What are you thinking?
Nana, to be honest with you, I cannot stop thinking about Amaka. Yes, that girl has taken a whole part of my heart. Honestly, I can't stop thinking about her.
Brother, I cannot believe this. Brother, what is wrong with you? Eh? She's already married to China. It's been 2 years. Eh? Just stop thinking about her. I don't understand it. I don't just understand it. Very soon I will grow white hair. You are still too young to be thinking like this. Stop.
Mama, like I said before, you don't understand and you will never do.
Okay, tell me, what is there not to understand? The fact that I just sit down here all day daydreaming, or the fact that she's not going to come back to you? No, tell me, which one? Nah, I don't understand you. To be very, very honest with you, I don't get it. Nah, I don't understand you. Seriously.
Come on, hold it there.
Oga, please.
Hey, stop there.
Please, where does Igbo people piss for here? I want to urinate.
Where are you coming from, my friend?
Coming from? No, I was just coming from somewhere, so I just want to ease myself.
Ease yourself here. What are you?
Yeah.
What are you hiding? Look at you, say somewhere.
Yes, somewhere.
You Jinako now?
Holding. No, I'm holding a yam. I just bought it from this woman. It's a yam.
Wow. Okay, that woman down there.
Yes.
Come on, go down on your knee.
Go down.
You down?
No.
Every time you steal small. I will hit you.
No, I did not steal it.
Shut up.
Okay, I can explain. I can explain. I can explain, okay? No, I'm not a baby. I'm not a baby. Now don't flog me.
Drop it.
Okay.
Yeah, remove your clothes.
My clothes. Okay. Yes. Wait. Let me remove the clothes first. Yes. I'm doing it.
Just leave him.
I'm doing it. Leave me, please. Thank you.
I love you. You're a good.
Yes.
Sharp guy. Hey.
Okay, God will bless.
Remove this one.
My trouser.
Remove it.
Hey, madam.
Do it fast. Okay,
I'm removing it.
Be fast about that.
Hey, I'm doing it fast. Be fast. I'm doing it fast. Okay, as if I'm. Okay, you're a good man.
Shut up.
Thank you. Can I go?
Something.
This one too.
Give her one.
Hey, no, now. Don't
fast,
give
put it.
I'm doing it. I'm fast about it. Hey. Okay, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Huh? Okay, yeah. Okay. I thought you said that.
You're smart, eh?
No, I'm not smart. Wait. Okay, don't kick me. I'm not a football. I'm not a ball.
No, shut up, man. You know how to teach now.
No, I'm not. I just took it. No, I moved.
We want to give you. You guys took it from your papa.
I moved it though. Somebody was hungry.
Put it on your head.
Thank you.
Put the yam on your head.
Can I go?
Spin it down. Put your slippers on your head.
Okay.
Put it. Yeah, look at the stupid pen. Pick it there.
The stupid pen.
Now put it on your head. Okay. Stand up. Now you'll be thinking, I'm a thief. Where I go?
I am a thief. I am a criminal. I am an armed robber. Okay, please. I am a thief.
Ozu one yebu. Anumpa. Good for nothing. You're just an empty vessel. You see this man, eh? Sometimes when I'm looking at you, I feel like struggling you. Will you Susu inside and help me talk, Gary? I said Susu inside.
I will do that.
Neja.
Kill me, but leave my baby.
What kind of mistake? Eh?
Ifu eriga akunubani fenwenwe ndi mmadụ na-achọ.
Madam Cash,
as you
can see, I am living with Richard because I'm tired of you and your useless family. You know? And if I continue living here, it will cost me more harm, more expenses, more pains. So I cannot continue. This is your daughter, eh? Take good care of her because I have tried my best. Continue from where I stopped, okay? Good day. Shut up! Omokuye, this is your home. This is your father. Stay with him. I've tried my best to train you up to this level. Let him continue from where I stopped, okay? Have a nice day.
Don't leave me here. I'll follow you. I want to follow you.
It's your drugging man. Like daughter, like father. Look, let me tell you. If you ever follow me, I will make sure you regret it. It's a bastard! Idiot! Look, if you ever follow me, you hear my wife.
What is the meaning of this? You mean you want to leave her?
I am leaving already. She is your daughter.
No, you can't do that. This is not what we agreed on. We had an agreement. This is not what we agreed on.
Agreement or no agreement, it is over. I even thought that your useless son that went to China will make money, huge amount of money, and he come back with the money so I can enjoy it. That was even why I came here in the first place. But I now realize that he is a thief. So I cannot continue with you people. All of you are useless. Even your wife, all your children, even Nkaku, useless like you. Useless man.
So you are truly my father.
Zanyan. Nori. I shall walk in. Bye bye. You better stay there. If you follow me, you become a bastard.
Who does she think she is? Madam Cash, and about Madam Cash. After all, she has been maltreating you. Am I saying the truth or not? Don't worry. You will stay with me here. I will train you. I will take good care of you. Let her go. Don't mind her. You are my daughter. Okay? Please sit down.
Mama, the whole house is entirely empty. Not even one cup of gari to drink in this house.
What will I do? This is the handwork of your husband. What will I do? Since he duped China and left, he no longer sends money to us. I am empty. So I don't even know what to do, my daughter. So, what if I'm manga, me? I don't know. I don't have anything.
Mama, somebody cannot continue to starve in this house now. Are we all going to die of starvation? Especially me in this condition. Mama, Mama, I cannot continue. I cannot continue, Mama. I cannot continue. I cannot continue.
Please, I'm hungry. I've not eaten. I've been working since morning.
And who are you calling Mama? Am I your mother? Why did you go with your mother when she left? So I should not be held responsible for you. Oh man, it's not possible. If you not get back to you, you can meet her. Or you can meet him. Me, I'm a different entity. Can you handle me? I don't know. But you know, just so they have empty pots. You are hungry. You come to go down. Who will I cry?
What is the matter? Why are you crying?
I'm hungry. I've not eaten since morning.
You are hungry? You have not eaten? Hey! You have not eaten since morning. You are hungry and you are not crying. Look, people that are hungry always cry. Cry! Cry! So that I hear. Cry. You are hungry and you are not crying. Now you are crying. So, stop crying. See this. Let us go and prepare this. Eat it. Since you are hungry.
You said you don't have money. Where did you get this here?
Do you want to ask questions or you want to eat? No, keep asking questions. We better rush. Go and let's go and cook it so that we'll eat it before people start coming. As long as I'm involved in this house, I will not allow hungry to kill you. I won't allow them to stab you. Just enjoy yourself. Eat and be happy. Imelda, what is the meaning of all this? Eh?
Shameless man. Came with a joy. If I so you think I will sit in this house and watch you cook and finish it? You don't even care for that plan eating.
Did you tell me you are hungry? Eh? If you are hungry, at least your face will change. You will front your face and people will know that you are hungry. Did you tell me?
No.
Eh?
So it's until the day of starvation. That's when you give me food, okay? Or probably you now go and bury me and be happy. Okay?
Do you know how the yam came about? Eh?
Nah. You see me, man? I don't care. If you like, let the yam come from Abarakwe Shrine. Or maybe let it be that you stole it from China as well. I don't care. I will eat.
Hi. No. Don't worry. Don't bother yourself. Eat. I will look for something else and eat.
Marama. Please, I'm sorry. Hey, Biko, forgive me. I was ravaged by anger. I did not mean to harm you. Please, forgive me. I did not even know it was hot water. When they see, I went to make very nice, delicious rice and stew for you. Just eat, oh? Take now. Oh, Biko. Please, now.
You see? Have you seen what you have just caused? Look at what you made her to be. You have disfigured her face. Because of meat, small meat. She took small meat from your pot. And you did this to her. Who will come and say, how are you now? Who will say, I will marry you now? Look at her face.
But it's not as if it was intentional. I did not mean to hurt her now.
It's not as if.
Biogum, I call Biogum Siadi.
Can they
be hot temper?
Can they be who get them going here?
Well, you know I have hot temper now. I was angry. She went to my pot. But I'm sorry, only. I'm sorry, please.
Sorry,
okay, let me feed you.
Sorry,
let me feed you. I'm sorry. Let me feed you now.
Eat. Are you working? Eat it. Make sure you finish it. Yeah, sorry, eh? Eat it, though.
But I did not mean to hurt her now. Somebody help! Help! Fire! Fire! Emeka! Are you?
What is the problem?
The baby is coming. The baby is coming.
Do you want to kill the baby? What do you want me to do? Don't drop me! Am I a doctor? Don't leave me! Am I the doctor? I only feel something.
What is going on here?
Let the baby come out.
What is
the baby belongs to me.
What is it?
Oh, Papa, you are here.
My daughter-in-law, what is it?
Thank God you are here.
Huh? The baby. You're a neighbor. You're a neighbor. Emeka, look at yourself. Your wife is in labor. You can't take her to the maternity.
Papa,
in Arabana,
my own
in
is
labor.
to fix it.
I'm not here.
I'm on the floor.
Stupid boy. You keep drinking and send you to China. Papa. You messed up there. That's not. You don't want to do anything in this life. Papa. Nonsense. Papa. Nonsense. Okay.
I'm on the floor, Papa.
Sorry, let's go.
Papa, imagine me on the floor. I feel something in that person. No, Papa.
The head is outside. The head. Papa, the head.
Sorry.
The head.
Come on, take me to the office.
The head is outside.
Sorry, my daughter.
Papa.
Sorry, my daughter.
That my baby belongs to me. Hey! That is Emeka Jr. from China to London. Hey, who will help me? Somebody help! Somebody help me! Hey! Imanda!
My daughter, please don't go. Please, see, I was even planning to come and see your mother, to thank your mother for her charity, for the way she has been taking care of you and the baby. Please don't go, please.
Papa, see, I'm only respecting you. See, I just came here to pick up my remaining things. You've been planner. For the past 2 weeks that I gave birth, all of you just abandoned me at the maternity.
I'm sorry.
Even though my mother came to bail me, who knows what might have happened by now? You're here begging me.
Please, let us be managing. Oh, okay, let me kneel down.
No,
Let me kneel down.
Don't kneel down, Papa.
To beg you now, let me kneel
Papa,
down.
stand up. Let me just ask you a question. Just take a very good breath. Papa, negudu manya. Anama draw tantam. So, because I gave birth to one child, I should die.
No,
eh?
no, you will not die.
Papa, because I'm sorry. Another man will come.
Hey,
yeah?
Because
Hey,
don't do this to me.
What is happening here?
Don't do this to me.
Hey.
Don't do this to me, please.
Papa,
what is it?
What is going on? Why are you? Oh! She wants to go. Papa, allow her to go. She can go. After I will go and take care of my son. I will take my son. Papa,
are you stupid?
Papa, no, I am not. Papa, I will take care of my. Hey, Papa,
I will kill you today.
Papa.
I will kill you today.
I was in a dream.
And what happened?
I saw myself becoming a king. So this is the fulfillment of the king. Hey, am I a king? Papa, you are raising me up. Hey, Papa, I will kill you. Papa, I will kill you.
Amaka, what is the problem? Why are you crying? Since you came back, you've not been yourself, and I don't like this mood. Eh? Okay, talk to me. I'm your father. Kifenemen, what is the problem? What is eating you up?
Papa.
My daughter.
Papa is my husband.
Your husband? What about your husband? Is everything alright?
He's threatening to throw me out of the house.
For what? Onayala? Eh? It's Odubayama. He cannot do that.
Papa, it's been 2 years. Getting to 3 years we got married. But I have not been able to give him a child. He said that he will throw me out of the house if by the end of this month I don't get pregnant.
Is that serious?
Papa, we have gone for several tests and they said we are fine. But Papa, I don't know why I can't get pregnant. Papa, I don't know what is wrong with me.
No, nothing is wrong
Papa, what is wrong with me? I can't get pregnant.
Nothing is wrong with you. You are perfectly okay. It's okay. Everything is alright with you. Eh? Calm down. Okay? You give him children at the appropriate time, okay? Just calm down. You see, don't be worried. Don't worry again. Eh? Don't worry. I will call him and I will talk sense to him. Eh?
You call him Baba?
Yes, I promise you that. Eh?
Oga, your husband should understand that you're not the manufacturer of children. God gives children. Why would he be so bitter that you cannot bear him a child? Eh?
Brother, my husband don't want either. Brother, he said it's my fault for not being able to conceive. Eh? In fact, he gave me till 1 month to get pregnant. Else he'll be forced to throw me out of the house.
Barely 2 years of marriage. He's thinking about throwing you out of the house. It can't happen.
The look I saw on his face the last time tells me he's very serious. Brother, I'm scared. I'm very scared.
You see, Oga, don't worry. Oh, you will have your own children at the right time. He's not the giver of children. Oh, don't worry. At the right time, you have your own children.
Sorry, eh? Don't mind those boys. Okay. Honestly, I have missed you. I've missed you so much. I love you. So you had the mind to leave me after everything that we have been through together. I did not know that you could do such a thing.
I'm sorry. My parents.
Your parents? Even at that? Okay, you should have at least stood for what you believed in. You should have stood for our love. I still have feelings for you. Honestly. Are you sure your father will not come back?
Spogo, my in-law, is everything alright?
How can everything be alright when you gave me a barren woman to marry as a wife? After 2 years of marriage, she couldn't give me a child. Upon all my effort, now one body can manage here and make a monkey.
Please, calm down. Calm down. You see, God's time is the best. My daughter will give you children at God's own time. Relax. Just be patient with her.
I am done with her, and that is final. I even brought her things back for her. Yes. Yes, I'm leaving.
Over, please.
What is it? Ogini, are you okay?
I don't know what is wrong with me.
Oka.
I have been feeling feverish. I'm vomiting since last night.
Oka, Cheluguru. When last did you see your flu? Because this is why you've been feeling feverish and having headache since last night.
I don't know. I've not seen it for the past 2 months.
Hey! Oka, it seems you're pregnant. Yes.
Brother, it's like it's true.
Papa, thank God that you're here.
No, Papa, I know this meeting is not for another thing. But how you people will kill me as your father? Oh, Kunubom! What is it?
Papa, this is a serious issue. Nobody's killing you. Papa, Oka Dile. Oka is pregnant.
She can't be pregnant.
And I am telling you that she's pregnant.
You are pregnant. You are pregnant.
Papa.
You are pregnant.
Papa, what is it?
You are pregnant.
Papa, what is it?
Papa, please.
You see what you have caused?
I must confess.
Papa, confess.
Let me confess.
Confess what?
I must confess. I went into a covenant.
Okay.
With the gods of Ngena River.
The great Ezenwai of Ngene River. My request is this. I have a daughter. She is my investment. I want the richest man in this community to marry my daughter so that he will alleviate poverty from my family. Because my 2 sons are very useless and stupid. They don't want to help me. That's why I am here.
In that case, I shall do it for you. Your will get married to a wealthy and a rich man, but she will never, ever give birth in her matrimonial home. In her matrimonial home. Never!
I told them that if my daughter will marry a rich man that will enrich my family and alleviate poverty from my house, that let my daughter not give children to her husband.
Papa!
So that she can alleviate poverty from my house.
Papa, how could you? Hey! Papa, how could you? How could you have done such a thing?
Abomination!
I'm sorry.
Papa.
I'm sorry.
So it's been you all this while, Papa.
I just did it to alleviate poverty.
Papa, what have I done to you?
Papa, poverty what? Poverty what?
Why did you do that?
I'm sorry.
Then God had disappointed you, Papa.
I'm sorry.
God had disappointed you. This pregnancy is not for my husband.
Who is responsible?
Okay, who is responsible for that pregnancy? Who?
Hey! Ebo mi bi mama! Ebo mi bi mama! Hey! I am come on! Take me from this bed. I can't get up.
Papa, this is what you've cost.
No, you must.
This is what you've cost.
I can't walk. Take me.
Don't look at my only sister now. She's pregnant for Dochi.
I can't get up again. I can't walk.
Please.
Want to change poverty? Oh,
Can you do this too?
I either get rich or die trying.
Let's take him inside.
Want to chase poverty away from my house, even if he had to take what I have. Want to chase poverty away. I either get rich or die trying. Want to take poverty away from my house, even if he have to take what I have. Lord, have mercy. Who got Chicha Joka? Somebody pray for me. Who got Chicha Joka? Who got Chicha Nebuten Sobuo? Who got Chicha Joka? Who got Chicha Nebuton? Ochanja Ochanja Cholego. Ochanja Ochanja Cholu Chenchi Gile Gile. Ochanja Ochanja Cholu Yana Bili Bili. Ochanja Ochanja Cholu Yana Bili Bili. Akunubani fenwenwe ndi mmadụ na-achọ ojula manya ọtụtụ ụzọ ka ụfọdụ si agbata ego ọtụtụ ụzọ ka ụfọdụ si enweta akụ na ụba onye anya ukwu biko welu ya nwayọọ onye ntachi obi welu ya nwayọọ Ochanja batubουρeki o Ochanja chole ego Ochanja Ochanja cholo chenji gele gele Ochanja ya Ochanja cholo yana mele mele Ochanja Ochanja cholo yana bele bele Oh Ochanja Tututa, weta tego. Ochanje folulan tututa, adana misego. Ochanje folulan tututa.